How's it going, Knights of the Round Table? Welcome to an indie pixelated game called I Remember the Rain. It is not a horror game from what I've read. It is a very emotional type game, and I wanted to play it for you guys because I didn't even see any uh photos of gameplay, so I don't know what it's going to be like, so I will put it down in the description for you guys to go and download the game yourselves and play along if you wish, or just watch me play here and then play it yourself later. So, I Remember the Rain, arrows to move and press space, created by Jordan Brown. That night. This is really good. Oh, look at me. Look at me, I'm Slender Man. And you said this is gonna be a horror game, Greg! No! I'm a dancing Slender Man, that's...
It's funny the things you remember.
That's the title of the game!
Thousands of tiny races against my
Police
skin.
officers. Oh, I can talk to them.
Kick back. Ambulance.
Ambulance will be here shortly.
I almost bled to death, but I couldn't. I had to find you. And when I did, I almost wish that I hadn't.
What? The waiting room.
I sat there, playing out the situations, the things I could have said, and how I could have changed.
I've been waiting here for days.
Sucks, bro.
The doctor said he was only sleeping.
You just have to wait like the rest of them.
Okay, so what exactly happened in the car crash? Was that me in the car crash, or was that somebody I knew? I think it was my wife, or someone I care about, so... Let's, what? I guess I just wait. Yep, there's Mr. Doctor.
I'm so sorry. There's nothing.
What happened? Why are none of my questions being answered, Mr. Doctor? I'm Slender, bitch! Oh. Hello. So long, and good night. What does that mean? What's happening? What is this? This is a funeral, isn't it? Yes, it is. Saw that coming. Who died? Who is it that's so important that I have to go through all this about? Talk to the woman.
May your memories give
Did
you
I
strength.
die? Is that me?
We live in the hearts of those.
You sound like someone from Lord of the Rings. You should be in a pixel... Okay, that was only terrifying. This nice giant shadow just swept across my window. That's awesome. Okay, anyway, he should be in a pixelated version of Lord of the Rings. That's what that should be. It sounds like a dude, honestly.
Do we really go to
Or it sounds like a woman. That's what it sounds like. What is this? Who are you? Why should I care?
How can you sum up someone's entire life in a single day? So many words I wanted to say. I spoke to them, but I said them to you.
The end. What? I guess this isn't the end. Apparently. Okay, let's keep on trucking. So far, this is very interesting. I want to know who died. Was it my wife? Was it... You know what? I'm gonna be one of those crazy guys because I'm so depressed. I'm gonna live in my house all alone. And I'm gonna close my windows. I'm gonna turn on the TV. And then I'm gonna turn off my lamp. And then I'm gonna go in my room and cry. Oh, this is a bathroom. Okay. Whoa! You guys see that? It's a woman in the mirror. No! No thank you! I don't want to swallow them pills.
I can't fucking.
Good for you. That's... You don't have to die to be dead. I guess you can be dead inside. This game's starting to get to me. The feels are starting to get to me. Yep, I think my wife died.
I've learned to live without you, but still, sometimes I wish I don't.
Whoa! What the balls? This is awesome.
I wish that it was me in that car, and
You in that way.
That it was you standing here
now. But it isn't like
So what happened? Is this like some weird alternate reality?
Give it all
Where it's
to
like,
you if I could.
in one reality I die, and then in the other, she died? Is that what happened? Is that what's going on here? So many questions unanswered! Oh man. The feels. The feels though. Very short game.
It's funny the things you remember. I remember the rain.
That's the title of the game. Alright, well, if you guys enjoyed, please hit the like button and also subscribe to become a Knight of the Round Table today. And as always, I will see you guys later. Outro!